mixing bowl, use a hand mixer or stand mixer, and put in 150 grams of softened butter, or throw it in. Add 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar, or granulated sugar, white sugar, extra fine sugar. Then add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I want to mix this together on low, then increase to high so it becomes light and fluffy. Then add 1 egg. Just mix that in. Now get 1 3/4 cups of plain flour. Just add it slowly. Now this is optional, but I like to add food colouring to give it the look of like a ghoulish, zombie-ish eyeball. I'm choosing green, you can choose any colour. How much you put in depends on how vibrant you want it. Just put in half a dozen drops or so and mix it and see if that's a good colour for you. If not, add more. Now turn your oven on to about 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a baking tray and grease it, or if you have one of these, this is a silicone, that's all you need. And get the mixture, roll it into balls or whatever. We're going to flatten it anyway. Now just flatten them down. So now just pop them in the oven and they'll be done after about 15 to 20 minutes. Check after 15, but it should take about 20. Alrighty, now there's one. This one has a bite out of it because Ayla grabbed it. So now what we want is, I've just got this little writing icing and it's red, so we're going to use that as the bloodshot part. So just have it however you want. Then melt some chocolate. Put that in the middle. Get some little edible fake eyes.